everyone and welcome to JournalingJunkY. I'm here today to show you my latest creation. It's a sort of nature botanical themed junk journal. It's quite a chunky one. It measures 7.5 by 5 3/4 inches and has 3 signatures. The spine's just over 1.5 inches, but as you can see, it's quite an alligator mouth. The cover is made from it's like a faux suede leather. I'm trying to pick it up for you, see if the camera will pick it up. It's like a mottled effect. It's really lovely feel to it, very soft, very vintagey feel. I didn't want to make it a flamboyant cover, just something quite simple. I've printed this out, this journal, but I've also done nature as well, so this can actually be removed and changed. It will be for sale in my Etsy store as soon as the video is uploaded to YouTube. So if anybody's interested, I'll put the link below so that you can go and check it out. I'm sorry that my shop is so depleted at the moment, but fortunately, as soon as I put something on, somebody buys it, so I can't complain about that. Okay, I've also got this terrible sore throat again, so as this is such a thick journal, I'm actually going to sort of go through the first bit and then I'll play music so I can speed through it as well. Otherwise it'll be a long journal as there's so much in it. Okay, so it's fastened with this coffee dyed sari silk. As I say, it's a very plain cover. There will be my name that goes on the back as it usually does. There's just a thread there that's annoying me. Okay, so straight onto the inside. I've left the front plain so that you can add a pocket or do whatever you like with that. I know not a lot of people like those decorated, so I've left it plain this time. There's lots of the little fabric clusters. So here we've got a printed page, but I've actually added some printed vellum on the top. Most of the pages are from the collaboration between Artimaze and Tracy Fox. I think it was called Herbal Remedies. So if anybody wants to use those papers, that's the name of the kit. So here I've got a journaling card there. I made a little envelope using an Edith Holden page. And then I've added some vellum here. This very faint stenciling. I'm not sure if it will pick it up, but I didn't want anything too heavy as it is very grungy in itself anyway. So we've got a large tag that I've made there. Just put that back under there and that onto there. So we've got a page here from a very old herbal remedies book. This is a page from it's based on an Edith Holden book. That's also a herbal remedies book, and as you can see, they're actually using the graphic from Edith Holden. So another handmade tag here. This is made from cards, so it's quite thick. Beautiful page here. I can't remember whether this is Artimaze or Tracy Fox. And then here, Edith Holden page that I've put onto the postcard graphic, and a handmade journal. as I say, here's the stenciling on there. It's like an ivy pattern. If you can hear a strange clicking in the background, it's just my dog decided to have a walk around. So here I've taken an envelope, I've covered it. There's a little pocket here and a handmade tag. It's got a little bit of glitter on there, I think it's picking it up, and just some writing paper there, and also a little tuck spot here. Get this off here. So here I've taken a page, printed on both sides, and I've added a large tag there. These are all from the kit, and there's a little notebook there as well. And I've just put a little tag on there and used some garden twine. And this is, I think this is an Artimaze page. I made like a little file folder page here. And again, another Edith Holden tag, journaling card should I say. Another journaling card here. Here I've taken an envelope again, made it into a flip out. There we have a little tuck spot. And here I've taken a page from the kit and made it into some journaling space. Lots of writing space throughout. So as you can see, that is actually the page that I've just pulled out there. So another little writing spot here, and just behind there there's a little tag that pulls out. Journaling card there, and I've used some William Morris papers. Just a little tag there that's part of the kit, the tuck spot, and then we're on to the second signature. Here I've taken an old book, well, an envelope, and covered it with an old book paper, and there's a journaling tag in there. Right, my voice, oh, my throat's getting very sore now, so I'm going to stop talking and I'll just play some music. So I'll catch you at the end of the video. Okay, see you soon. Hello, well I'm back to the back page now, so I'll just show you here that that's a little tuck spot there. And as you can see, it's very full, is this journal. There are some extra bits that have been left over, which I will include as well. And also, I haven't put this in, which I forgot to do. It's just a little notebook that I've made from various papers. So that will be included as well. But as I say, there's quite a few bits and pieces, envelope, few tags, little bits of papers, things like that, that will also be included, so that I don't get mowed under with little bits of ephemera. Okay, so thank you for watching. I do apologise for not speaking during the video, but I'm sure you do understand, and I hope to speak to you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.